And now I would like you to use some folded blanket, a roll that is folded in a blanket, or a bottle that is folded in the blanket, anything that is going to push your rib cage up. We're going to put the pillow or this folded blanket underneath the most curved portion of our spine. Some people gonna put it in the lower thoracics. This is where they have their maximum kyphosis. Some people have it more higher up. So just sense with your hand where your spine is mostly pushed back, where you can feel this spinous process pushing back the most. And this is where you want to place your pillow. So now I'm going to place my pillow on this most flexed portion of my spine, and I'm going to slowly relax into extension. I can start with my hands underneath my head. So my hands are like this, interdigitated underneath my occiput, and I'm using my triceps to pull on my cranium. So I'm giving a little traction to my neck, breathing slowly. With each exhalation, I'm going to try to fall slightly lower, and I'm going to slowly move my neck side to side. Very gentle movement. I can go into really extreme side flexion while I'm here. Extreme side flexion on the other side. Really pulling on the side while I'm still going into extension. And notice which is more difficult. Is it more difficult to go to the right? Is it more difficult to go to the left? And now if you found one, then just stay on that side. And now we're going to slowly move knees from side to side. I'm moving my knees to the left, moving my knees to the right, moving my knees to the left, moving my knees to the right. Very slowly, breathing deeply. Okay, and check again. How is it now going to the left? How is it going to the right? I hope now the opposite side is more difficult. So stay on the opposite side and again, move your knees. Slowly going from side to side, rocking your pelvis from one hip to another. Keep breathing deeply. Okay. And this you can continue, you can change different positions of the pillow, glide yourself up and down, and then really play your whole body on the pillow. You see, I can move my one leg going to internal, external rotation. I can take the other leg doing the same thing. I can go into side flexions of my body. I can move my arms on the floor, finding different positions of my arms, going into different rotations. And make sure that when you finish, you feel comfortable on this position, like a jellyfish sitting on a stone or something that is really flat and relaxed on that surface. So it can take a while to make you feel that way, or many days or repetitions, depending on where you are now. But this should feel nice. So if your head cannot go like this, keep your head supported with your arms, or even add another small pillow underneath. So make sure you adapt this position to abilities of your body. Okay, slowly